Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Bureau of Fire Protection Lady Firefighters. Let's start with our middle blocker, number 3, Fire Officer 1, Krisa Manalagdog. Outside hitter, number 9, Fire Officer 1, Jen Sumalinog. Opposite hitter and their team captain at number 11, Chief Inspector Marky Marcaida. Setter, number 12, Fire Officer 1, Jaja Kainglet. Outside hitter, number 15, Fire Officer 1, V. Braverosa. Millbugger, number 18, Fire Officer 1, Stephanie Adolfo. Starting libero at number 20, Fire Officer 1, Box Bokaya. Head coach of the Lady Firefighters, Fire Officer 3, Franz Bautista. Calling on our Department of Foreign Affairs emissaries. Let's start with our opposite hitter, number 2, Executive Director, Maria Paz Cortez. Millbugger, number 8, Alex Tangayan. Outside hitter, number 14, Yvonne Reyes. Millbugger and their team captain at number 16, Mitch Olavere. Opposite hitter, number 19, Chenga Barrientos. Outside hitter, number 20, Kat Magsumbol. Starting libero at number 3, Jane De Leon. Head coach of the emissaries, Mr. Ralph Calasin. It's the Lady Firefighters versus the emissaries. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
You see the starting lineup ng ating Lady Firefighters. Looking to go up in the standings. Samantalang itong DFA emissaries ni Coach Calasin looking for their first win. They have lost all 5 of the games that they have played in so far.
Pero makikita mo, while they're waiting for the game to start, there are smiles on the faces of the DFA players, the emissaries. So you know that they're going to enjoy this match.
Second game of our triple header dito sa Paco Arena. Gandang araw sa inyo, and first set is off. Braverosa sends it into the net for the first point ng emissaries.
You know, dito nga sa DFA emissaries, they're one of their players, they're not really complete today, no?
Save is no good. Back-to-back points para sa emissaries. They're off to a good start, Chiki.
Yeah, so makikita nga natin, kahit na hindi sila kompleto as a team, lalo na yung kanilang setter na si Papalinas is on medical leave, no, from the team. Ano sila, they're able to adjust.
Easy over para sa Lady Firefighters. Pick up by Kainglet. Ito naman, free ball binigay ng Lady Firefighters. Magsumbol, short on the tip.
Yeah, she wanted to put that ball doon again sa zone 4 kasi halos walang nagbabantay doon sa zone na yun eh. Kinapos lang ng tulak.
Samantala, Jaja Kainglet. Good serve, right? Stock corner. Pinabayaan yon ni Olavere, thinking it was gonna go outside. Pero kato-kato.
Oo, it really kissed the line. Dito kasi 'di ba sa volleyball, if the ball hits any part of the line, pasok 'yun.
Another serve to Olavere, bad pass. Kainglet sets it up. Magsumbol with a block pero nakalusot yung palo. That is a point for Madalogdog.
Yeah, I like the way Madalogdog plays. Kasi ano siya, she's having fun. Look at that. Parang it makes you comfortable pagkakampi mo siya.
Oo. Lady Firefighters naman ang isa. Braverosa, easy over. Ito, emissaries. Aatake. And nice block. Kontra kay Magsumbol. Tangayan with a standing spike. Magsumbol, sets it, tangayan ulit. And net touch, Marcaida.
Ito na yung that block, attempted block there. Sumabit sa net si Marcaida.
Few errors. Actually, both teams nagbibigayan dito ng easy points. There's a service fault naman para sa emissaries. Madalugdog, serving lamang ng isa. Ang Lady Firefighters magsumbol. Cortez, nagamit yung net pero a good floor defense para sa Lady Firefighters. Second touch is short.
Ang ganda ng connection ni Magsumbol tsaka ni Reyes. She was so far from the net but she was able to hit that ball in an angle. Kaya nagulat yung defender ng Firefighters.
Nice serve. Raferosa with a push. Magsumbol on the attack. Nice up by Madalugdog. Madalugdog sends it over. Abarientos inangat.
Nice.
Olavere. Shaky start para sa parehong koponan. It's a nice hit by Adolfo.
Adolfo is one of the go-to players of the Firefighters and you can understand why.
Abarientos, good up. Inangat ni Reyes. Magsumbol, sends it over. Raferosa, sinet. Siguro sumalinog. Yes, Olavere with a hit. Marcaida. And that is gone. Nice shot, Adolfo with back-to-back points.
Parang that was a little scrappy of a play, but they were able to put that ball in an open zone.
Two-point lead para kila Raferosa and the Lady Firefighters. Abarientos, another chance ball dito pagkakataon ng matake for the Lady Firefighters. Down the line hit. Good defense para sa emissaries and Magsumbol gets it off the block.
Mataas ang respect ng BFP para kay Magsumbol. There were two blockers in front of her. And no problem for Magsumbol though. She just tooled the block.
Five serving six. Magsumbol, that was her first point of the game. Cross-court hit.
Good up.
Good up. Magsumbol sends it over. Raferosa says, ako na.
Nice set.
Olavere. Raferosa inangat. Sumalinog. Oh, what a nice save by Magsumbol. There's Adolfo with a hit. Reyes. That's outside.
Yung shoulders kasi ni Reyes nakaharap sa labas. That's where the ball went. Kung saan kasi nakaharap yung shoulders mo, dun usually pumupunta yung bola.
Serve ni Valen Marcaida actually serving. Magsumbol. Reyes will send it outside. No, it is right on the line para Reyes, her first point. Served by Cortez. And that one is outside. Both teams struggling here sa ating first set. They are both up and down. Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo about Abellana.
Nakakwentuhan ko nga kanina itong si Gang Abellana, ang ating best player in their last game. At nabanggit niya na teammate niya nung college si Danjen Rowley ng Comelec. Kaya nung natalo nila yung Comelec in their last game, nag-aasaran pa daw sila after that game. So both of them went to Southwestern University in Cebu. But this was not the original school of Gang Abellana. Galing daw siya sa Surigao, pero medyo nailang daw itong si Gang dahil siya lang daw sa team ang inoferan ng full scholarship. So nung nirecruit siya ng Southwestern University na all expense paid rin, ay nag-decide siyang lumipat dito sa Southwestern University. So dito na siya nagtapos, nag 1-year residency siya, and she played 3 years in Presaa. At dito na rin siya nakapagtapos ng kursong criminology. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira.
There's Gang Abellana on your screen, wearing jersey number 8.
And we mentioned 10 points para kay Abellana, one of 3 players in double digits to sa panalo ng Lady Firefighters against the Suffragettes in their last game. That's gonna be on the line para kay Reyes. She got it. Second point dyan. Make that third point actually para kay Reyes.
May kita natin sa DFA, nagpapalitan lang ng setter position yung dalawang imports nila na sina Magsumbol and si Reyes.
All right, here's served by Olavere. First ball, not so good. Sumalino, make that Adolfo with a hit. Reyes. Eto si Sumalino. Down the line, and she got it.
She really loved that hit. There was no blocker in front of her, kaya napakabilis at napakalakas ng bolang pinuduce niya.
Sumalino already with 2 points. Set service outside.
Too much power in that serve. It went long.
Eight serving, 12. Apat hinahabol dito ng emissaries. Not a good first ball. Good effort para kay Proferosa, but it was not good enough for a third touch.
That's a good heavy serve from Yvonne Reyes. If she can continue that, earning the points from the service zone, naku, laking bagay nun para sa team niya. Nice.
Padalugdog with a nice push.
Oo nga, parang kinaliwa niya yun, di ba? Tingnan nga natin ulit. There goes Kainglet. Yes, she used her left hand and full control. Napakaganda.
Marcaida back in the game. A solid front line para dito sa Lady Firefighters with Marcaida, Madalugdog, and Proferosa. Proferosa for the first touch. Ito si Madalugdog, back-to-back points. Push, gumamit ng konting net.
Nakita mo si Madalugdog, talagang just having fun inside the court. Look at how she plays with the net. Talagang ano yan on purpose. There you go. Alam niya ang effect nun pag pinasabit yung bola sa net.
Back to the biggest lead. That's not gonna be good enough. That's 4 touches ito tawag sa emissaries. Biggest lead of 6 points na para dito sa Lady Firefighters. Coach Kalasin will call a timeout.
Huwag kang umabante ng lampas ng front. Umupo ka, bumaba ka dito sa may attack line. Baba ka lang doon, pag may short kasi sa'yo. Pero yung mataas na bola, sa likod na yun. Para hindi kayo magka-problema. Dalawang sunod kasi sa gitna. Sige, tuloy nyo lang. Ganahan nyo pa yung habol ng bola. Pag naman nahabol nyo, itaas nyo lang sa malapit sa kasama nyo. Huwag nyo ilos tayo yung paghabol nyo. Kasi sayang yun Mako-convert nyo pa yun ng transition. Okay.
Galing guys, galing! Sabi, DFA!
Convert on transition. Last words of Coach Ralph. Importante talaga yun. Talagang concentrate, focus, and go for those offenses. Kailangan talaga first ball, maiangat so that they can run a play.
6 ang hinahabol ng team ni Coach Kalasi ng DFA Emissaries. And that short pass will not do it. Kainglet. Proferosa, ang ganda ng buwelo pero kapos sa palo as we check in once again courtside with Ira Pablo.
maganda talaga dito sa UVL na mas dumadami ang sumasaling government agencies at mas nakikilala natin ang iba't ibang ahensya ng Pilipinas. At ang BFP, ang alam natin ay rumeresponde lang sila tuwing may apoy. But you know, they do more than just that. Meron silang tinatawag na tri-skills dito sa BFP. One is firefighting, ang sunod naman ay rescue. So rumeresponde din sila tuwing may mga kalamidad. So aside from people, they also save animals such as street cats and dogs that are in danger. At tumutulong rin sila sa mga tao na may mga suicide incidences pero ayaw na nila tong tawagin na suicide but they call it people in distress. And lastly, for the tri-skills, meron din silang medical. So, meron silang mga BFP nurses pero lahat sila ay trained to provide basic and the first aid tuwing may mga emergencies. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Right now, ang in distress, ang DFA, down by 6 points again after that service fault.
That was such a good report coming from Ira. No? At least ang dami nating natutunan na ang BFP pala, ang daming roles na ginagampanan.
Kagulo na naman dito. Sila magsumbol. Another easy over. Marcaida with a hit. Magsumbol finally with a good hit. Kainglet sets it up. They go to the middle. And that is a point para kay Adolfo.
Oh, you gotta love the way that BFP is playing. Maingay sila inside the court, tapos iniikot-ikot nila yung bola. Everybody gets a chance to perform and score for their team.
3 points para kay Adolfo. Olavere, another easy over. Chance ball ulit para sa Lady Firefighters. They go to the middle. Nice up para kay Barrientos. Magsumbol again with a push. Inangat ni Sumalinog. Not a good first ball by Olavere and collision. Pagitan ng dalawang players and another easy point para sa Lady Firefighters.
Communication is crucial when you're inside the court because you wanna avoid, di ba, yung sabay kayo ng teammate mong kukunin yung bola na hindi naman maitataas, not to your advantage.
Magsumbol. Here's Reyes. Kainglet. Biggest lead now at 8 points. Make that 9 points after the Olavere miss hit.
Olavere, the team captain of DFA. Pag ikaw ang taga DFA, gusto mo siya sa team mo kasi hindi siya nang sisisi tapos laging naka-smile. You get encouraged when she's inside.
Cortez, inangat. Easy over ulit. Galing kay Reyes, kay Inglet. Oh, what a nice hit there. Para kay Magsumbol. Or make that Sumalinog.
Si Sumalinog, just really having fun.
And 10-point lead para dito sa Lady Firefighters.
Sige, papatay momentum lang naman yun. Wala kayo ng pasa, receive, set, tapos palo lang.
Lahat ng receipt natin pataas lang sa gitna. Kasi dumedepensa pa yung setter sa likod eh. Para,
Bawi na.
tara, pa-receipt lang. Wait lang.
Uy, apple pa yan! Guys, wait. Yung yung service, hindi naman hard server. Hindi naman hard service. So, ano lang tayo, receive lang tayo. Ha?
Oh, that's a good point, no? Kasi yung service naman, sabi nga ni Magsumbol, hindi naman ganun kalakas. So, easy lang. You know, you can easily put that ball up. At sabi nga kanina ni Reyes, basta taasan nyo lang yung pagbigay ng bola kasi hindi pa nakakapwesto yung setter dahil nagre-receive din siya, dumidepensa din siya.
No more timeouts. Natitira para kay Coach Calasin. Down by 10 points. Make that 11 points pagkatapos ng service ace ni Profe Rosa. Last.
There's that shank of a ball. It was a heavy serve, loaded one.
Last time they were tied was 4. And ang laki ng itinakbo nitong Lady Firefighters. And That service fault ni Preferosa will not even make a dent. Will not hurt the Lady Firefighters who are still up by 10. Magsumbol, the top scorer para sa kanyang koponan.
Nice serve.
That's 2 points. That hit is outside. Para kay Sumalinog. So back-to-back points, Chiki, para dito sa emissaries, but they've got a lot of work to do moving forward.
Oh, kailangan work on that, no? Habang meron silang slowly but surely momentum building up.
Barrientos with the dig. Reyes sa atake. Reyes has 3 points.
Good reach.
Reyes again. Overpassed by Marcaida. Reyes against 2 blockers. Rejected.
Good.
Olavera with the dig. Olavera is down. It's 6 against 5. The push to the back. Longest rally of the first set. Sumalinog. It's outside.
Mukhang na-injure si Olivera dun sa fall niya. She was holding on to her knee, but she's okay. Giving us the signal. Thumbs up. Okay daw siya.
So 3 straight points ang pinuntos ng emissaries as Manabong papalitan si Olivera who's limping pa rin, Chiki, no?
Oo eh.
Let's hope she's okay.
Reyes is going to be the game captain. Kasi si Olivera was the team captain, but she stepped out.
That's gonna be...
Ooh. Yeah, good serve from Magsumbol.
This is 4 straight points pinuntos ng emissaries. Quietly, they are cutting itong deficit. Another ace para kay Magsumbol.
Kailangan nila to. Kailangan nilang pumuntos from the service zone. Gives the players time to rest also.
First timeout para sa Lady Firefighters. We'll listen in.
Okay, receive muna tayo. Back to basic. Receive na maayos. Reset na maayos. Puntos na natin. Yun ang mahirapan yung puntos natin. Ang hirap-hirap kunin. Tatlo na lang, oh. Trabaho.
Huwag na natin laruin ang laro.
Huwag basta laruin. Igapang, ilabang. Ilaban. Let's go. Fire! Receive na maayos, oh.
Sigawin nyo kung kukunin nyo. Sige lang.
That's a good strategic timeout by Coach Franzo. Kasi kanina pa si Magsumbol earning points from the service zone. Eh. So you wanna distract her. And hopefully, no, para sa BFP, na nakat yung momentum ni Magsumbol. Let's see.
5 straight points ipinuntos ng emissaries pagkatapos nilang mabaon ng 11. Akin na lang, hinahabol nila dito. Much better pass that time from Adolfo. Adolfo with the push. Abarrientos, pinasa kay Magsumbol. Manabong with a hit. Chance ball para sa emissaries. Magsumbol sets it up. They go back to Reyes. Atake mula sa gitna. And that's good. Adolfo scoring her 4th point. Olivera magbabalik.
Sabi nga kanina sa timeout, di ba? Huwag niyo nang laruin ang laro. Sabi ni Coach at sabi nung ibang teammates dito sa BFP.
Balik sa 7. Kalabangan ng Lady Firefighters. Service short mula kay Marcaida. So hindi makaalagwa dito ang Lady Firefighters. Ang kanilang mga errors naman ngayon. Nagpapahirap. So white shirts. Magsumbol to Reyes. Reyes with a push. Reyes, sabi ni Reyes, sakala niya may block touch. So this is 7 set points para sa Lady Firefighters. Adolfo serving. Adolfo with 4. 2 aces. Reyes Picked up. Sumalinog.
Oh.
Got it.
What a hit by Sumalinog. It's a good placement to zone 1. No one was there. There goes that hit. Very well controlled.
So Sumalinog with 4. Madalugdog with 4. Adolfo with 4. Those are the top scorers para sa Lady Firefighters. Samantalang it's Magsumbol with 4 points, followed by Reyes with 5. Those are the 2 players who have scored para sa emissaries. Wala na pong iba, kaya kinapo sila in terms of offense. And they lose the opening set. 25-17. Set number 2 coming up right after these. Babalik tayo sa Paco Arena where you see the final score after ng first set. It's a 13-point win para sa Lady Firefighters kontra sa emissaries. 25-17 in 21 minutes. Mas magandang work para kay Coach Franz ng Lady Firefighters.
Yeah, in that first set, they weren't the usual first 6 yung pinasok ni Coach Franz. You know, giving more time and opportunity for the other players to have ball time dito sa floor. And, you know, they were able to do a good job. They were able to deliver. Merong mga scary moments for them in that first set, but they were able to pull it off. 25-17 in 21 minutes.
So Coach Calasin and the emissaries naghahanap ng paraan para makabawi in set number 2. Let's see. Malaking adjustments in terms of defense and offense para sa kanila. They've got to cut down on the errors as well.
Right. Sobrang laki ng adjustment talaga for TFA kasi nawalan nga sila ng setter.
Oo.
So yung 2 imports are nagpapalitan sila ng kung sino yung magsiset. That's why ito yung kwento sa attack points. 5 lang ang na-produce ng DFA at 13 naman sa BFP because BFP has Kainglet as their setter in that first set. Aces pareho lang, errors pareho lang, pero yun na nga, yung attack points, they're still adjusting to the new setup.
Alright, nandito po tayo sa Paco Arena, second game of our triple header. Kanina po, 5-set win para sa SSS kontra sa Comelec. Right now, to DFA looking for their first win in 6 games as they take on the 3-3 Lady Firefighters ng BFP. Alright, so a little tweaks sa starting lineup dito sa set number 2 para kay Coach Franz. As Abellana will be in the lineup along with Diaz and Hosmillo as well in the starting lineup.
Ito na yung, Eric, ito na yung first 6 talaga ng BFP.
Si Hosmillo, the starting setter on the most games. Pero kanina, she did not start. And, heart there mula kay Sumalinog after a good performance. 4 points para kay Sumalinog in the opening set. Okay, so here we go.
Dale Spakure on your screen there.
Short serve. So first point going to the emissaries. Parang replay lang to nung first set.
Oo nga eh. Sa service talaga, nagkaka-problem.
Oo.
Oh, another one.
Both teams bigayan na putos via the service fault.
Hosmillo now. The setter for the Firefighters is up to serve. Nice.
Reyes sets it up para kay Magsumbol. Kinaliwa. Diaz. Pasa kay Abellana.
Good dig.
Tangayan will send it outside. No touch. So, a quick 2-0 run para dito sa Lady Firefighters after giving up the first point. Nice serve.
Oo, sharp.
Reyes will come up short.
Alam mo, kailangan paandarin ng DFA ang iba nilang players because mapapagod eh kung puro si Reyes at saka si Magsumbol lang.
Pospilio, another good serve. That'll be an ace. Yes, it is.
Posmilio, solid na solid ang hawak niya sa bola from the service zone. She's in full control of her serves.
Back-to-back points para kay Pospilio off the service ace. 4 straight points scored by the Lady Firefighters. Reyes to Magsumbol. Yes!
Magsumbol, yan, ang bright light para sa DFA.
So finally, naputol yung 4-point run ng Lady Firefighters. Magsumbol with 3 points. Good pass by Diaz. Josmilio, jump set. Abellana, off speed. Inangat ni Reyes. Olivere, to Magsumbol. Kinaliwa ulit. Abellana passes Josmilio to the middle. Diaz will hit. Tangayan, inangat. Good exchange. Abellana with the left. Yes!
Abellana, hindi yun ang comfortable zone niya eh, kaya niya kinaliwa. But when she pushed that ball, it found a spot, earning them a point. Nako, Mamangon is now in front for the Firefighters and Abellana and also Diaz. This is a
Pacure.
strong front line.
With a nice serve. Inangat ni Sumalinog. Here comes Diaz. Cut shot is outside. Two-point game.
Magsumbol is now at the back, so your main attacker in front for DFA is Reyes.
Good pass by Sumalinog. Pospilio out to Diaz. Yes!
Si Diaz parang nakakaloko yung hits niya because when she approaches the ball, parang ang hin-hin-hin-hin. But when she hits the ball, ang lakas pala.
So walang runs para dito sa emissaries. A
Nice
nice
serve.
serve. Hirap ng habol ni Abarrietos. Got it over. Sumalinog.
Good stretch.
But
Oh.
first pass is no good para kay Abarrietos.
Magsumbol is now going to be the setter for the emissaries. Oh, low throw. Kaya nag-net yung bola niya.
Only 2 straight points scored by the Lady Firefighters. Serve by Manabong. Yes, the cut shot there kay Abellana.
Abellana is one of the go-to players of DFP. I think twice na siyang nagiging player of the game.
Punta natin si Ira Pablo with a report about Kat Magsumbol.
Kat Magsumbol played for FEU during her collegiate days, pero unfortunately 1 year lang daw siya nakapaglaro due to personal reasons. But sinasabi niya she was very fortunate enough to have parents that can afford to send her to school and she didn't have to rely on being part of the varsity team. At nakapagtapos siya ng kursong SRM or Sports Recreation Management. So she just resigned recently from LTO after serving for 7 years and right now nakafocus lang daw talaga siya sa UVL before figuring out her next step. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Hit is on the line para kay Mamangon.
You know, Magsumbol is doing a good job for the emissary. She's doing everything she can from the service zone as a setter and as an attacker, even as a blocker.
And right now, in between agency siya, no? Galing from LTO. And now just playing volleyball para sa DFA. Who knows, baka maging DFA employee din siya. We'll find out soon enough. Sumalinog, got it.
Sumalinog going down the line. Seeing na walang tao doon sa zone 1. That's a good point, a quick point for their team.
5 points, pinakamalaking kalamangan na to. This set para sa Lady Firefighters. Chance ball ulit. Pass by Sumalinog, Hospilio. Sa gitna, kay Pakure. Reyes. Tangayan. Diaz with the pass. 1-2 play is wide para kay Hospilio.
Wanted to be crafty in her hit there. Josmilio just went wide. It was a good idea. Nobody was in zone 2. Yun lang.
They can be creative. They can afford to be. Ano, dahil sa kalamangan nila. Reyes. Sumalinog into the net.
Sumalinog in the first set. Ang dami niyang puntos na na-contribute. A little disappointed in that hit of hers, but I'm sure makakabawi agad yan. Oh, what a serve by Reyes. Recognizing that there's an open zone dyan sa 6, sa zone 6. Good control sa bola.
3 straight points na ipuntos ng emissaries from down 5. Dalawa na lang hinahabol nila dito. First run, nakita natin, first scoring run para sa emissaries. And it continues. 4 na puntos na to after that miss hit by Pakure. So mag-a-adjust na si Coach Franz as Pakure will sit down and mapasok si Adolfo. Adolfo with 6 points already. Sumalinog. Oy, back-to-back errors to para kay Sumalinog.
Oh.
And just like that, Chicky, nawala na yung 5-point lead ni Sumalinog, and the rest of the Lady Firefighters were tied at 10. First deadlock of set number 2. Magpantay with a pass. Adolfo. Off the block, and it's in. Nice block by Magsumbol, and it's a 6-point run for the emissaries to take the lead. Coach Franz will call a timeout pagkatapos itong napakagandang defensive play ni Kat Magsumbol. Taking a look from a much better angle here.
Yeah, ang ganda rin ng pag-block niya kasi nung bumalik yung bola, it was inside. It was not even outside.
Basic. Lagi tayong nawawala sa basic, yung receive. Receive, yung coverage nyo, adjust tayo.
Uy, apply na yung napag-practicean ba? Yung napag-practicean ha? Tapos, focus tayo. Dapat ipanalo na natin yan ha? Isa lang lamang.
Huwag nyo nang pahirapan yung sarili nyo. Why complicate things kung pwede naman tapusin na? Okay, let's go! Let's go!
Sino mga nasa likod? Hoy, kapit! Sino mga nasa likod?
Alright, here's a startling statistic, Chicky. 8 of the 11 points ng emissaries errors yan ng mga nakaputi.
Wow. Wow. Alam mo, actually, ang firefighters, they're not playing their usual game. They are following the tempo of the emissaries. They're not dictating. Even if they're leading kanina, hindi sila yung nagdi-dictate nung tempo ng game eh.
Well, let's see kung matitigil nila yung errors na yan. Here's Adolfo. Finally, good timeout para kay Coach Franz.
That's what you want to see pagkakatapos lang ng timeout and you're the coach. That's a good setup by Josmilio. A single blocker, no problem.
So Adolfo now with 7 points. Stopping the 6-point run. Yung side out na yon. And they scored 2 in a row. Sumalinog with an ace.
Alam mo, ang BFP talaga kilala sila sa blocking points at saka sa aces. Service aces. So, the emissaries have to be wary of their services and talagang read the ball para makaposisyon sila ng tama.
2 straight points scored ng Lady Firefighters. Lamang sila dito ng isa. Coach Calasin, parang may papasabi sa first referee si Paulie Sanchez.
Kahit umiikot ka
think it's about the setting na merong double contact. Usually kasi pag umiikot ang bola sa ere, that's one of the cues na double. But according to our first referee, tinitingnan din niya yung kamay, yung contact ng kamay sa bola kung sabay ba.
Sumalinog. High serve. Reyes. Tumagsumbol. Cross-court shot. And a side out para sa Emissaries to tie the game at 12.
Si Magsumbol kasi gusto niya ng mataas na bola because it gives her time to go for her momentum tsaka full swing.
Magsumbol with 6 points. Josmillo sa gitna. Nice block by Magsumbol ulit. Kontra kay Adolfo. Magsumbol. Magpantay naman ang nagpasa. Adolfo ulit with the push. Tangayan with the up. Reyes sets it up for Magsumbol.
Nice.
And that dive. Nasaktan doon si Sumalino. Hit her head.
Oh, I heard it.
Oo. As she fell down. Let's hope she's okay.
Oh, nga. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung nangyari. Ayun yung hulog ni Magsumbol. When she went for that dive, ayan. Hindi siya naka-dive properly, kaya tumama yung ulo niya sa sahig.
And she's slowly getting up. And she looks to be okay, but she will sit down for a while. Let's hope she can come back. She's walking under her own power, which is a good thing.
This is a good thing, yes.
Abellana papasok. Maybe get some ice on that, and then a little bit of rest. Let's hope she's okay.
Yeah, hope she's okay.
But the game continues. Abarientos serving. Lamang sila ng isa dito, ang DFA. Josmillo sets it. Diaz on the attack. Yes!
Lahat kasi dun sa DFA, kumumpol sa gitna, kaya naiwang butas ang zone 1. And that's where the ball went. There.
By the way, ating UNTV News and Rescue team right now checking on Sumalino. Reyes. Magsumbol, atake against 3 blockers. Bentik to Diaz. Magsumbol ulit. Yes, that's outside.
The other players of the Emissaries have to step up in terms of attacking para matulungan nila si Magsumbol at saka si Reyes.
Good pass. Laki Reyes. But it ends up in a free ball para dito sa white shirts. Abellana drills that one in.
And that's why Abellana has been player of the game. Dahil sa mga tirang ganyan, she's able to go for those balls with good momentum, with confidence also in every hit.
Abellana with 3 points. Ta-time out dito si Coach Calasin. They are down by 2.
Basta ganun na. Kahit kay Alex, kahit kay Kat, basta yung may aangat mo lang na maayos, ha? Thank you po. Dedepensa ako sa gitna. Thank you. Okay guys, kaya to walang bibitaw. DFA! Fight! Tara!
So Abellana and company, lamang ng dalawa after trailing by 1 point. Josmillo nakakuha ng ilang ace din to pagpasok niya to start set number 2. Magpantay with the pass. Josmillo nasa gitna, and that is gonna be outside para kay Adolfo.
That was a good setup. Just too much firepower in the arm of Adolfo that time.
So Alex Tangayan looking for her first points today. Abellana magsumbol with dig. Pasa ni Olavere. Got to see Olavere okay after falling down kanina. Ito naman si Diaz.
Nakikita mo no? Ang daming pwedeng pagpilian dito sa firefighters kung sinong bibigyan ni Josmilio ng bola.
2-point lead para kay Diaz and the Lady Firefighters as we check in with Ira Pablo.
Regarding the incident with Jen Sumalinog a while ago, wala naman daw nakapanabukol yung ating UNTV News and Rescue team. And tinanong si Jen kung nahihilo siya and she said no. Pero may part daw ng kanyang ulo na medyo masakit. That's why right now they are putting an ice pack on it. Pero nung nakascore pa itong BFP ay pumalakpak pa itong si Jen. At nung tinanong siya kung gusto pa daw niyang bumalik at sabi niyang gusto pa daw niyang bumalik para makatulong dito sa BFP. Balik sa inyo.
Alright, thank you, Ira. Short yung palo na yun ni Magsumbo looking for an off-speed top spin pero kinapos. Ito, si Sumalinog, she's okay. Nakakatawa na. Always a good sign.
Oo nga. Thank you, Lord.
And tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-arangkada nitong Lady Firefighters. Lamang na sila ng 4. They led by as many as 5. Pagkatapos hinabol sila and nilamangan pa ng emissaries. Pero ngayon, ang daming errors. And Abellana punishing itong emissaries for their errors.
Itong firefighters, they're really just taking advantage of the balls given to them. Halos wala silang na-waste so far na bola.
Last time out na para kay Coach Calasin. Pakinggan ulit natin itong emissaries.
Ako naman. Pagka ganyan kasi, Kat, alam mo nare-receive ka eh. Diba? Wag mo hayaang rumisip pa si Idol. Paano ka masisitan? Yung unang timeout kanina, binigay ko sa inyo. O ako, timeout ko ngayon to. Hindi nyo kasi ako binigyan ng time salita ng unang timeout ko eh. So, ganun yung adjustment. Okay? Pagka ikaw ang nasa harap, wag mong hayaan na si Ido yung re-receive. Pagka siya naman ang nasa likod, hayaan mo lang siya na mag-set sa'yo. Ganun lang naman yon. Para kasi, kung siya makakuha ng first ball, makakapalo ko pa ba? Palawakin niyo yung court.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ralph, di ba? You really have to be thinking when you're inside the court. Kailangan mag-focus ka. Kailangan i-conserve yung energy. So alamin, sino yung kailangan magre-receive ng first ball. Kung si Magsumbol ang titira, dapat si Yvonne, si Reyes, ang hindi kukuha ng first ball so that she can set the ball up.
Balik sa pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters. 5 points. Back row attack. Yes, pinagapang sa net. Adolfo will score. Ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters up by 6 points.
There goes Adolfo behind the attack line, using the net also to her advantage for a point for her team.
Adolfo with 9 points. Oh, nagkagawan doon. Si Olavere and De Leon.
I think De Leon was already in position. Biglang kinuha ni Olavere. Sayang, no? Kailangan communication talaga inside the court.
7 points. Kalabangan ni Diaz and the rest of the Lady Firefighters. Magsumbol. Nangat ni Adolfo. Bentik. Back to Diaz. Off speed. And an easy put away para kay Diaz.
Diaz having fun with that. Very, graceful yung pagbalik ng bola niya.
Eight points kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters. They get 9 points now.
What an ace.
Manabong. Nagkalituhan sila sa si De Leon who was gonna get it. Substitution para kay Coach Franz. Spacura papasok para kay Adolfo. And then Adviento naman will see action for the first time sa laban na ito. Apaltan si Amarientos. Nine-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters.
Oh. Medyo malayo yung tapon ng bola niya, kaya hinabol niya. That's why you could see she's smiling. She knows what happened. Hinabol yung bola.
Malayo ang habulin nila Magsumbol. Kat Magsumbol, they're down by 8 points dito.
Serve.
Magpantay, hindi aabutin para sa second touch. So another ace para kay Magsumbol.
Oh, kanina, she was the one who was able to score consecutively from the service zone. Now, ito, tingnan natin. Is she gonna do it again? Nice serve.
Osmilio. Good save by Mamangon. Reyes. Pinagapang sa net. Abellana. And that is a point. Abellana will put the Lady Firefighters at 8 set points.
Ang firefighters, pag gusto nilang patayin na yung bola, binibigay lang nila kay Abellana
And quietly, Abellana with 5 points. Lahat yun galing sa attacks.
Oh,
Almost an ace.
yeah.
Para kay Diaz. Chance ball. Pagkakataon para tapusin to. Abellana. Why not?
Abellana, no, calmly but surely goes up for that hit. Good arm swing, great elevation for a strong hit there. Quick point for their team.
Loida Abellana with 6 points. She is only the third leading scorer. It's Adolfo with 10. 7 para kay Sumalinog. 6 for Abellana. And so many other contributors para sa Lady Firefighters as they comfortably go up 2-0 kontra kila Magsumbol and the rest of the DFA emissaries. Set number 3 coming up pagkatapos ng ilang sandali. A lot of fans
Yeah.
enjoying the action and getting up close with our stars dito sa UVL as you see the Lady Firefighters up 2-0 kontra sa emissaries.
Yeah, the Lady Firefighters, kanina pa sila, they were playing loosely. They were having fun inside the court. You could see the communication, smiles everywhere. They're just enjoying themselves. At ito yung kwento nung set na yun, no? Yung second set. Look at the attacks. They were able to control the first ball, kaya napapaikot nila yung bola. Ang dami nilang options kung sino-sino ang pwedeng umatake sa kanila. And the service aces also, napakaganda ng numero no 4. Dito naman sa 2 ng emissaries, si Magsumbol delivered from the service zone. Mas madami yung errors ng BFP in that set. Mas kontrolado ng emissaries. Kaya lang, sobrang laki ng discrepancy sa attacks. Kaya, you know, the Lady Firefighters were able to get that match, or sorry, that set in 24 minutes.
Alright, third and final set could be unless itong emissaries makabawi dito. They have really struggled the last 2 sets. They've lost by a big margin.
Oh, let's see. Ngayon, nandito na si Santa Maria for the emissaries. She's also an import.
Santa Maria.
Santa Maria didn't or was not a factor ng huling laro ng emissaries. Chance ball. Santa Maria with the pass.
Wow!
Dario with a nice looking hit to start things off dito sa set number 3.
And that's how you want to start the third set, with a bang. Kaliwete pa tong si Dario. Mas mahirap bantayan.
Oh, nice push. Padalugdog. Answers. 1-all tayo.
Yeah, that was a fast push. You really have to decide whether you're going to get that ball or not. You can't change your mind in reception in the middle. Unlike when you attack, pwede kang, you know, you start with a strong hit tapos biglang nakita mo may butas, magsa-soft touch ka.
Madalugdog with 5 points. Dario ulit. Off speed. Easy pick up para kay Kainglet. So Malinog is back in the game, which is good to see para sa BFP after falling kanina and hitting her head hard on the floor. Praferosa uses the net and scores. And may net touch din ay itatawag dito. Dario, I think, touched the net.
Yeah. Ayan, tingnan natin kung saan yung touch sa net. There you
Yeah.
go.
Kita-kita.
Oo.
So, 2-point run para sa Lady Firefighters. Olavere, short pass. Santa Maria, back to Dario. Almost a good save. And that's going to be a side out para dito sa Emissaries.
Alam mo, pagpasok ni Dario tsaka ni Santa Maria dito sa Emissaries, nag-iba yung ano nila eh, yung galaw nila inside. Mas mabilis ngayon ang tempo nila.
Kainglet. Praferosa nasa gitna. Inangat ni Tangayan. Santa Maria
It's over.
overpasses, but it turns into an easy point.
Nag-sorry nga siya doon dahil nga ito sa an over-receive or overpass. It was supposed to go to Dario, but it went over the net.
So sasagot ang Emissaries with their own 2-point run. Lamang sila ng isa dito. Abarientos will serve. Praferosa ang nag-set.
Good set.
Marcaida with an overhead toss. Dario aatake. Inangat ni Sumalinog. Back row attack. Adolfo, it's outside.
Abarientos missed that reception, but she rejoiced kasi outside, sabi ng ating lines judge.
3 straight points. Naipuntos nila Abarientos and the Emissaries. Lamang sila ng dalawa. Pass by Sumalinog. Oh, kapos para kay Madalugdog. And the run continues. 4 na straight points ito para sa Emissaries.
Madalugdog knew that the timing of her hit was off. That's why it hit the net.
5 serving 2. Ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Emissaries in the entire game. Kainglet. Marcaida gets the side out and stops the 4-point run ng Emissaries.
Dario tried to stop that attack, but nag-cross court yan. Laki-laki ng playground kasi ni Marcaida.
Olavere, not a good pass. Dario. Kainglet sa gitna. That's Adolfo with a hit. Marcaida. Inangat, Abarientos pops it up. Dario too close to the net. Easy block para kay Adolfo, but good save para kay Dario. Praferosa, angat. Blocked by Dario. And not a good pass there from Executive Director Cortez. Sends it outside.
She says sorry to that. Ang ganda naman kasi nung game. Ang ganda nung balikan, di ba?
Four serving 5. Madalugdog,
Nice.
beautiful serve. Dario
Yeah.
inangat. Santa Maria with an easy over. Sa gitna, Adolfo got it.
Again, so many options for Kainglet, who's the setter now of the Firefighters.
So sumagot ng 2-point run ng Lady Firefighters. Time tayo at 5-all. Set number 3, Madalugdog with another nice serve. Short pass para kay Olavere. And Dario sends it into the net. Three straight points para sa Lady Firefighters. Lamang na sila ng isa. Pagkatapos, mabaon ng 3. Madalugdog with 5 points. Oh, there's a touch kay Cortez. Executive Director Maria Paz Cortez. So the run continues. 4 straight points ito para sa Lady Firefighters. Lamang na sila ng 2.
Ang ganda naman kasi ng serves ni Madalugdog. I mean, they're strong, they're fast, loaded.
Samantala, Executive Director Cortez will sit down. Manabong magbabalik. For the Emissaries, Olavere has been the target. Save is no good. Another ace para kay Madalugdog.
Madalugdog, no, making it easy for the Firefighters in the set so far.
5 straight points scored by the Lady Firefighters. Lamang na sila ng 3. Oh, another good serve off the shoulder ni Olavere. Si Olavere talaga target, ano?
Sobrang deadly ng services ni Madalugdog.
7 points, including 2 aces para kay Madalugdog as we check in with Ira Pablo.
When you ask Coach Franz the difference between the BFP before the winning streak and the BFP that you're seeing right now, ang sasabihin niya ay yung samahan na mas pinatibay para dito sa BFP because they are all housed in one area. So lahat ng mga players from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao magkakasama sa isang apartment. So iba daw talaga yung samahan na nadadala ng sabay-sabay kumain, palagi nagkukwentuhan, and they really treat each other like a family. So some of the assistant coaches are also housed in the same apartment pero hindi kasama si Coach Franz dahil malapit lang daw siya. So sobrang lapit niya pag may emergency daw dito sa BFPA, agad niya mapupuntahan yung Lady Firefighters. May nangyari nga isang beses na nawalan ng tubig itong BFP, si Coach Franz daw ang nag-deliver para sa kanyang mga players. Balik sa inyo.
Ano, ang galing naman. Buti na lang malapit yung bahay ni Coach Franz. There's Coach Franz on your screen. Raferosa. Nice stop there on the attack of the Firefighters. Kasi nga, kung saan-saan yung mga attacks coming from, no? But that's great timing there by Dario. Outside.
Few errors na naman mula dito sa emissaries. Mauna sila ng 4. Back to the biggest lead para sa Lady Firefighters.
Oh. I think the serve was targeted sa zone 3. Kaya lang sobrang short.
There's Adolfo. Overpassed by Dario. Sumalinog. Hits the net.
Yeah. That ball, the setup of Kainglet was just a bit too close to the net. Ayan. Tama yung tapon. So, hindi na na-control ni Sumalinog yung kanyang momentum.
Short pass para kay Madalugdog. Adolfo, short hit din. Back-to-back errors para dito sa Lady Firefighters. Yung lamang nila na umabot sa 4, isa na lang. Kainglet. Passes, Adolfo. Yes!
Nicely done by Adolfo. Kakapasok lang nung server, that's where she put the ball. Kaya hindi tuloy prepared yung server, yung defender.
Adolfo, 14 na. The only player in double digits para sa parehong koponan. Dario mula sa back row. Sumalinog. Yes!
Sumalinog, baliwala yung untog niya kanina. Because what a hit. Look at this. Nicely done. She enjoyed that. Adolfo. Oh, what a serve.
And just like that, may run na naman dito ang Lady Firefighters and binilik nila yung kanilang biggest lead of 4 points. 15 na para kay Adolfo. 5 of her 15 points galing sa aces. Left-handed push. Madalugdog gets it.
Iba talaga ang nagagawa, no? Kapag very close kayo, off and on the court. Kabisado mo yung kakampi mo. Alam mo kung ano yung mga gusto niya, tendencies niya, strengths niya.
Timeout para kay Coach Calasin. We'll listen in.
Dapat alam nyo na paano yun. Mau, ba't mo pinareceive to? Wala naman ibang magsisit, kayong dalawa lang magsisitan eh. Tapos ikaw pa. Ba yan? Nakakadikit kayo tapos hindi nyo aayusin yung instruction. Nagsasarili kayo ng decision. Sayang naman yung dinidikit nyo. Dumikit na kayo ng oil 12 oh. Tapos pinalayo nyo na naman ng 5. Huwag kang manginig, Joy. Relax ka lang. Wala naman ibang kalaban dyan eh. Magdikit lang kayo, gumit na kamaw. Sa likod mo siya, sa gilid mo. Kahit itong heel nga, heel to toe nyo lang ang diferensya.
Few reminders there from Coach Ralph no, to just follow instructions. Meron naman silang defensive pattern. They need to stick to that. They need to stick to the arrangement. Sino ang magsiset, sino ang titira.
Still one timeout remaining para kay Coach Calasin. De Leon, not a good pass. So it's a chance ball para sa Lady Firefighters. Kainglet, combination play. And Sumalinog. Parang walang nangyari nung bumagsak kanina.
Oo. You know, whether si Josmilio or si Kainglet ang setter, walang problema eh. Pareho maganda yung kamay ng setters ng Firefighters.
Biggest lead at 6 points. Let's check in with Ira Pablo, the report on Diaz.
Tony Diaz played for FEU during her collegiate days at nagtapos siya ng kursong marketing management, major in volleyball. Yan yung sinasabi niya sa akin. And her first job was actually with the Ombudsman and she stayed there for 4 years before eventually moving to BFP. And sabi niya sa akin, after college, hindi na daw siya talaga naglaro ng volleyball. So there was a 9-year gap from the sport. At nung bumalik siya ng ensayo para dito sa BFP, ay medyo nangangapa daw talaga siya and back to basics daw ulit again. But 2 months in the season already, unti-unti na daw siyang bumabalik sa groove niya at unti-unti na daw bumabalik at lumalabas yung Tony Diaz na varsity player dati. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira Pablo. Yeah, she's slowly regaining her form. And si Diaz, number 4, in the middle of your screens. Sumalinog ang pumasa. Madalugdog with a push. Barrientos with a hit. Madalugdog again.
Nakakaliw panoorin to si Madalugdog. Kasi every time she hits, meron siyang mga antics na nakakatawa.
And,
Pero, you know, if you're her teammate, you want her in your team. Kasi she produces and she's funny.
last time out to para kay Coach Calasin. We'll listen in.
Litong-lito kay. Nandito si Mau, nandito ka. Nandiyan si Cheng. Ito, pagka na-transition na, dito ka lang, huwag ka nang didepensa dito. Paano ka kasi makakapag-sit? Kahit si, itong si Cheng, nandito na, pag nag-transition, ando na si Mau, andyan ka lang dapat, sa harap ni Mau. Paano ka makakapag-sit na dumidepensa ka? Tapos pumupunta ka pa dito, pumupunta ka dito. Attack line dito, yung sinasabi ko. Pagka-serve ng kasama mo, pupunta ka na dyan. Kahit sino. Hindi mo makukuha yung second goal kapag lumalayo.
Tara. Let's do this. DFA!
May a little frustration in the voice of Coach Ralph, no? Because yun nga ang sinasabi niya na it's an easy play. You just really need to know your position. Huwag ka nang umalis dun sa position na binigay sa'yo para makukover mo yung area na dapat mong i-cover.
B.
6-point lead para sa BFP. Make that 7. It's back to their biggest lead of the set. Sumalinog with an ace. Sumalinog, 10 na to. She is the 3rd player in double digits. They're led by Adolfo, 15. Sumalinog and si Madalugdog, tigjis pa yun. Samantala para sa emissaries, wala pa pong nakaka-double digits. Top scorer nila, Sumagsumbol with 7. And she's not even on the floor. There's a nice hit.
Yeah.
Para kay Santa Maria.
Oh, yun yung gusto mo, no? Yung mga spark na ganyan para pwedeng pagsimulan yan ng, ng momentum.
Only the 2nd point para kay Santa Maria. They're down big. 6 ang hinahabol nila dito. Nice serve. Kainglet. Praferosa. Tangayan, inangat. The 1-2 play para kay Dario. And this time, Madalugdog with 11 points now.
Madalugdog tried to go back. Dario tried to go back to her position to go for that block. Pero mas mabilis yung atake ni Madalugdog. That's why nakapasok agad yung bola niya. Nakapuntos para sa kupunan niya.
7 ulit. Ang kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters. Overpass. Praferosa will score.
Nicely done by Proferosa. Binalik niya kay Oliveri kasi si Oliveri yung nag-receive ng bola. Kita niya gumagalaw si Oliveri. Papasok pa lang sa posisyon niya. So when she gave the ball back, hindi na-receive ng maayos ni Oliveri.
Kainglet with the serve. 8 na to. Pinakamalaking kalabangan para sa Lady Firefighters. Adolfo, back row. Nice dig para kay Oliveri. Santa Maria with the toss. Kainglet underhand pass. Go to Marcaida. Tangayan inangat. And nice play para kay Dario.
Si Dario merong mata sa likod. Kita niya na sa corner ng Zone 5, walang tao. Zone 4 rather, walang tao. So she put that ball there for a point for her team.
So a good side out para sa emissaries. Pero kailangan nila pumuntos ng at least 4 or 5 points dito. Well, there it is. Second straight point para sa kanila because of an error. Anim. Kalamangan. Praferosa makes it. Oh, what a save! Would have been a 7-point lead. May kill doon, pero good defense para dito sa emissaries. Nice up! Eh, Santa Maria, Kainglet. Praferosa with a push. Yes! Hindi natapos doon sa unang palo ni Praferosa, pero si Praferosa rin in the end kukuha ng puntos para sa Lady Firefighters. They're back up by 7.
Alam mo itong Lady Firefighters, they know their zones, they know how to move, they know their defensive pattern, they have their coverage. That's why it's tough to get those open zones sa kanila eh. Bantayin nila eh.
Santa Maria, Takay Dario. Splits the two defenders and scores.
And as I said that, Dario finds an open zone in Zone 6. That's a good controlled hit there.
Quietly si Dario with 4 points, all from attacks. Santa Maria naman, 2 points. They've combined for 7 of the 16 points ng emissaries dito sa set number 3. Combination play, mababa yung palo ni Adolfo.
Ganda rin makita no, na nagko-combination play ang Firefighters. Unfortunately lang, hindi lang pumasok yung tira ni Adolfo that time.
From an 8-point lead, 5 na lang. Kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters. Adolfo, short shot is good.
Yeah, that's a good cut shot there by Adolfo. Pinapakita din niya sa atin na iba-iba yung diverse ang kanyang mga attacks. She's one of those players na mahihirapan kang i-predict kung paano niya papaluin yung bola.
Nice block. May Kaida kontra kay Oliveri.
One more point for BFP. So kailangan perfect volleyball ang gagawin ng DFA to keep themselves alive in this match.
7 match points para kay Praferosa and the Lady Firefighters. And that'll do it. Service ace para kay Praferosa, who finishes with 7 points in the game.
You know, DFA emissaries, they did their best. They didn't have a real setter in front. They had to make the adjustments in this ball game. But wow, itong BFP Firefighters, they're playing as a team, very cohesive. The chemistry you could see inside. They're happy for their teammates. At saka yung mga setters nila, they're able to make their teammates shine when they attack.
3 players in double digits para sa Lady Firefighters as they go up to 4-3 in the standings. Habang pinigilan nila makakuha ng isang set at isang panalo ang DFA who will go down to 0-6, bottom of the standings, 8th out of the 8 teams na naglalaro sa Season 2 ng UVL. All smiles for the Lady Firefighters.